Hello, this is the Anker 552 wireless charger, 5-in-1 station charging pad in action here. Okay, so this is the box. Okay, so you can see the pad here has 2 slots for iPhones or Android phones, and then 2 slots for AirPods or Galaxy Buds. Okay, look at the back side here. We have a power port and then the USB-A port. Okay, so let's go ahead and plug that in. The charger goes in. Okay, and then we will plug in the USB-A cord. Okay, then we'll give that a go with our iPhone 13 here. Okay, so it's working fine here. Okay, so we'll unplug that now. Okay, then we'll try the actual charging pad. So try to center it as best as you can. Does a little chime, and then we'll kind of take a look here. You can see that there's a little light that lights up when it's charging. Perfect. Okay, so we'll leave that on there, and here we'll try a AirPods Pro 2nd generation. And you can tell it is charging with that little chime sound from the AirPods, and you can also see the little light there. Okay, so now we'll try a second AirPods, and this time it has a case on it, an ESR case, and you can see it's also charging. So you can see the 2 lights there showing that the 2 AirPod slots are charging, and you can see that the case does not affect the wireless charging, which is really nice. Okay, and I guess that depends on the case though, but this case seems to work fine. All right, so you can see 2 AirPods and 1 iPhone charging perfectly fine. Okay, so we'll take that off and we'll try the other side now. So you can see that light goes on. Just go ahead and tap the screen there just to confirm it's charging. And yes, it is. Okay. All right, so overall, we're pretty happy with this charging pad. Looks very nice, very neat and clean and aesthetic. Seems to charge pretty fast. But overall, we like the ability to charge multiple phones and multiple AirPods, or we don't have Samsung Galaxy Beats, but overall, this is a really nice charger that seems to work so far really nicely. All right, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.